Hello friends, today we will see the parallel and series connection of the SCR. So before that, why we required to connect the power devices in series and parallel, that need to be understood. So what do we mean by series connection and what do we mean by parallel connection? So when the number of similar devices, they are connected in parallel, this is called as the parallel connection, and this one is called as the series connection. So why we required this series and parallel connection of the SCR? Because to increase the voltage rating and the current rating of the devices. Means suppose you want the total current is of 3 ampere, that is your input current, but whatever the devices you are available with you is of 1 ampere of current rating, then you need to connect the similar devices in parallel to each other. So in parallel fashion means what? You will have to connect the devices in this fashion. So SCR1 is exactly equal to SCR2 and SCR2 is exactly equal to SCR3. Means S1, S2, S3, all the characteristics of the devices will be the same. Suppose for example, if you are considering the TYN612 device, then all the devices, all the 3 devices should be of TYN612 only. So means what? Their electrical characteristics should be equal. Okay. So if it is not equal, then what will happen? That we want to study. Okay. So let us consider that S1 is not equal to S2 and S2 is not equal to S3. Means there is a fine difference in between the cut-in voltage or the breakover voltage of the SCR. So when the breakover voltage, that is the forward breakover voltage of the SCR, is slightly different from each other, what will happen? That we will study. Now let us say the forward breakover voltage of this SCR is, let us say it is equal to 21 volt. This is of 22 volt and this is of 23 volt. Okay. So the forward breakover voltage is different for the same value of gate current, though the devices are the same. But what will happen if the breakover voltages are different? Any one of the device which is having the lower breakover voltage, that is the lower forward breakover voltage, what will happen? This device will conduct first. So we know that when any one of the semiconductor device starts conducting, it is better than short circuit. Means when SCR will starts conducting at 21 volt, that is the forward breakover voltage of the device, what will happen? The entire 3 ampere of current will try to flow through the SCR1, and because of that what will happen? The device S1 will get blow off. Okay. Similarly, now what will happen? This entire 3 ampere of current will try to go into the second device and again it will fail, and now this device will going to fail, and in this way all the devices which is connected into the parallel, that will get damaged just because their forward breakover voltage or the on voltage differences are there, and because of that what will happen? The devices may get damaged. So when we want to connect the device into the parallel, their forward breakover voltage should be equal. So it should be of 21 volt, it should also have 21 volt, it should have also 21 volt. But it is very difficult for anyone to find out the exact match of all the devices. Though they are made from the same manufacturer, they are from the same make, and they will have from the same batch. But still there is a slight difference between the breakover voltage of the devices for same value of Ig, because we know that the input supply is fluctuating, and because of that the Ig will fluctuate little bit of milliampere of current, and because of that what will happen? The breakover voltage of the device will be changed, and if the device breakover voltage is changing, what will happen? Any one device whose breakover voltage is earlier, that device will start conducting first and it will damage the entire string. Okay. So the care should be taken while connecting the devices into the parallel is that all the devices should be of the same rating and having the same breakover voltage. Okay. So that is the meaning of conducting the SCRs and connecting the SCRs in parallel for increasing the current rating of the devices. Now the second part is the voltage rating. So when we are connecting the SCRs in series, definitely what we want to increase the voltage rating of the string. So when we want to increase the voltage rating, three SCRs are connected. The same concept is here. The rating of the three devices should be exactly equal. Okay, and that's why when we connect the same devices in series, what will happen? The voltages will be equal. So voltage rating of each device will get added to the second device, and overall voltage of the string will be increased. And in this way, you can increase the current rating as well as the voltage rating of the any string by connecting the devices in parallel and series. Okay. If you have the diodes instead of thyristors connected here, what you will have to do? You will have to check the diode forward cut-in voltage. So with the help of multimeter, you can check the diode and you can use the similarity check of the device. And after the similarity check of the device is carried out with the help of multimeter, you can connect that device in series or in parallel. Okay. So that's all for today. Today we have discussed about the parallel and the series connection of the SCR, how to test that power diode with the help of multimeter, and how to increase the current and voltage rating of the devices. That's all from today. If you like my video, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Professor Jitendra Dawade's Online Learning Solution. Thank you.